Today's vaccine is mom's finger slam in corridor catching Timor Tantrum or Shiitake mushrooms by the big crew. Like, landing to the video will be the description below. Go in second match. So let's into this vaccine in 3, 2, 1.
Is it falling you now? So we are having a fun day in Hawaii, going to the beach.
Yeah.
Aubrey wants to go home. Is someone feeling very free today?
Like we're going to the skate park. Probably like an hour.
So, poor Aubrey is getting told to go to the beach today. She's, you know, Logan. She's throwing a temper tantrum.
Oh boy.
Logan. Look how cool this is. Oh, I know. What are you doing? Why are you standing up? I kind of want to go walk out there, but I'm afraid a heel is going to like pop out at me or something.
Heels?
Yeah.
Heels over here.
How do you know?
Look, it's tide pools. It's low.
Yeah.
You're not eat heels, Daddy. I think you're perfectly safe to walk out there.
Maybe we'll go out in just a second. Looks like people walking way over there. It looks like they have a paddleboard.
Hey,
Why there's no fins on it?
hey, Dad.
What?
Hey, Dad. Here's Ian.
Look, there's Ian. Ian's way ahead of us. Already digging around. You happy now, Aubrey? Yeah. Just found a crab.
A crab.
So this is Kamehameha Beach, I believe. And the nickname was Dog Beach, but now it's No Dog Beach. So dogs used to be allowed and now they're not.
Can we keep on going?
Yeah. Do we want sunscreen?
No. No, way out there. There's a baby crab.
The sun's kind of out now.
Yeah, let's put some sunscreen on before you get too far.
Yeah. United.
I just saw it big.
Yeah. This is so kind of creepy. This is what it looks like at low tide, guys. I'm afraid something's gonna jump out of a hole and bite my toe or pinch my toe. Hopefully not. Okay, so they found something.
Found a little crab.
Let's see.
Look, Mom, we got a crab.
Wait, look at that, you guys.
Oh, we're good.
Wow.
Flip it.
Oh,
There we
look
go.
at it.
I just see a crab.
Wow.
It's pretty cool.
I found him. Let's find him.
Now look how far we can walk out at this
And a
beach.
fish. Mom, let's find a fish.
Goes and goes.
Mom, let's find a fish.
So at least I know what kind of creatures I might be stepping on. More crabs. Where's the sandy section? So you found a seashell?
Where'd you find it? On top or in the sand?
I see so.
Let's check that one
I
out.
just found it on the sand.
We got what it looks like cleaned out. What if anything's living in it? They touch. Might be empty. Cool.
Let's go back. Yeah.
Okay, go back. We found this big long line of coral. Of course, yeah. That's so crazy, huh?
Wait, that's not cool.
Look, see, there's Aubrey and Dad way over there.
So we went walking on the flats, and we just saw something that Haley said she did not want to step on, and it is an eel. Look at that thing.
Wow.
There it is. Get it out.
It's an eel!
Look at that thing. You gotta be careful though. I think this one might be kind of dangerous. That's okay. Look at that thing. It's okay, Aubrey. It's safe. It's okay. It's gonna hide. See? You're okay. He's just hiding in his home. There it goes. Bye-bye. Ooh, what was that? That was cool, huh? Totally cool. Can't believe just saw an eel. I just told Haley that there's no eels out here, and we saw one. I think she'll be super excited if I show her this video. Eel in the water? Eel in the water?
No way!
No way! Well, we saw one. We saw one.
Found.
Look what Ian found.
It's a holy crab! I'm gonna go bring it back to the water. Hey, come on, Kevin.
Nope, not right now.
Oh, but I'm hungry.
Oh, I'm sorry. You gotta wait. So we just got this lunchbox right here from Target. Nice little cooler to put our stuff in.
I found a ring in the sand.
What?
I found a ring in the sand.
Oh, you found a ring?
Yeah,
What? This is not mine, right? No, that's not mine. So I'm not wearing mine at the moment.
Oh, wait. It's a 14 karat white gold ring.
Oh,
14 karat gold. It
wow.
says 14 carats inside of it.
Wow.
Logan, you're a treasure hunter.
Wow. Since it is Friday, we're gonna go get some pizza. I'm kind of in the mood for Boston's pizza. Big giant pizza. So, but Ian, we just got news that Ian is gonna be going back to summer camp starting next week. So I
told you. I told you
yep.
so.
So, yeah. As you can see, I just... Why are you kicking Aubrey's chair? Hey, Ian. Ew. But this is why I don't want to stay home. This is why I'm going to go back to work. You're kicking Daddy?
Yeah.
It's just a massage, Aaron. Okay, no, don't.
Okay,
God, okay, no.
It's cute when the baby does it.
Yeah, it's cute when the baby does it, but when the
grown boys do
9-year-olds and the 7-year-olds do it, it makes me mad. Anyway, Daddy's gonna go get the pizza. Okay, well, we're not gonna talk about summer camp right now, okay? We're gonna go talk about food.
Logan.
Okay, pizza.
Ian's gonna decide if you get to sit in the back.
Yeah, we might be switching Logan to the back seat.
Nope. Shut up, Ian. Shut up, Aubrey.
Hey, Ian. No, Ian.
It's cute when Aubrey does it. It's annoying when you do it.
No, Aubrey's so cute.
Shut up, Aubrey.
Hey, Ian.
Shut up, Ian. Aubrey.
Try your.
Shut up, Ian. You shut up, Aubrey.
Okay.
Dad.
Mm.
Pizza.
Look at this giant pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah.
We
Get back.
I just eat it. I just eat big pizza.
You can see it on my lap. Wow. I'm not opening it right now.
I'm hungry for pizza.
Good. We got some nuts.
Starving for pizza.
Some little salad.
Whoa, big pizza. Caesar salad. Yes, I love Caesar salads.
Yeah. Say thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad. You're not putting me in summer
Do you want salad, Aubrey?
No.
You're right. I'm not
I
gonna
like
put you
summer
in.
camp.
I'm
I
not
don't
putting you in
want
summer
a
camp.
salad.
You
Mom,
put
you're not-
yourself
Yeah, you
in
put
summer
yourself in
camp.
summer camp, Ian.
No, you
You
did.
put yourself
Nope.
in some
You
camp.
put your. I didn't. You're gonna. You need to go to summer camp.
No.
Get your backpack.
No.
Stop arguing with that. Like, we really need you to help us
No.
out. Like, I need you to help us
No.
out.
Oh gosh! Oh god! Oh god!
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I did.
Is it broken?
Oh
Hold
my
on, I need to put.
That was.
I think that's start crying.
Oh my god.
Hey, you come here right now.
Oh!
It's like swelling.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh
man.
my.
Ow, God, I can't get my ring off.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go to the
Oh my
hospital or
gosh.
something.
Oh my
It
God.
looks broken.
I seen that. You just seen this.
No, Leland, don't talk back. You gotta listen to your mom. You need to go to summer school. You gotta go to summer school. Leland!
What made me with this video?
Is your hand okay? You just slammed. Did you not see her hand was on the door frame? Are you okay? Are you okay? Which fingers did he get? Are you okay?
This is probably a real situation.
Oh, it hurts so bad. You just slammed the door on my finger.
No, dude, what is?
Go.
Ah,
I don't even know.
oh, Ian, come
And
Ian, come here. Hey, you need to apologize to your mom right now. Yeah.
Alright, so here is the pizza. Oh, it has not been rated for best of 2022. Oh no.
I wonder how big.
Let's take it back. Just kidding. Boom.
That's so big.
Look, you guys.
you look
Don't
good.
touch. Back up. Back up.
Can I take a
That,
little
you
table?
especially back up.
That's
Just look at my finger. My finger is turning purple from Ian. Wow. Oh my gosh, and look. Where did it go? I just got my nails done too. Look at that. Okay guys, so just a heads up, that was definitely a skit. So let me show you, if it wasn't obvious in the video, how we did it. So right here in the door handle, there's like a gap. See that? Boom. So basically, I just made sure to have my hand there. However, I will say that was very terrifying, even knowing there's a gap. And the bruised finger was real. I actually did slam my fingers in the door earlier that day. Don't ask me how, but somehow my finger got in the way as I was closing the door, and it really did hurt really bad. So we decided to take advantage of a sad situation, but it's not bruised anymore. It's been a couple days since. I will just say though that we only wanted to do that in one take because our houses are so close to other people, and we're in a townhome right now in military housing, and houses are literally stacked on top of each other. Our attached neighbors used to always be outside, and so it gets super awkward trying to film stuff for these videos because, well, they were like, what are you doing? So yeah, it would just kind of be awkward, and so we just tried to hurry and do it while no one was outside that we could see anyway. And we just kind of play off of Shiitake mushrooms videos because they always get told Leland's a bad influence and how their videos influence kids to do bad things, and so we just kind of are poking fun at it, just all for fun. We just pretend Ian is badly influenced by Leland. So, all for fun, guys. Don't take it too seriously. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and let us know what other ones you would like to see Ian influenced by Leland, and we will try our best. Thank you so much for watching.
That was Mom's finger slump in Kodo catching Timor Tantrum or Shiitake mushrooms by the Blue Crew. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And drop a like if you like. And comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new. And click the bell to be notified when I upload. In my bye.